Welcome back, everybody. The next item on the list for limited area work is the lathe. So what I did is, they have the lathe stands, but they're pretty expensive. So what I did is I found this DeWalt 735 planer stand and went with that. The height of it is just about right for me. And what I did was I took two 2x6s, just mounted them on top, bolted them down, and then I bolted the lathe down to it. And it makes it a lot easier to move around. It's very sturdy. I think I've used both the lathe stands and this seems to me to be more stable and easier to move around. You don't have to worry about topping over, and then you can just get it where you want it, flip the lever, and start turning away. Thanks for watching, and any comments, just let me know. Bye.